First, remove the control board. Unplug and unscrew the control board that is above the broken fan. Next, remove the fan. Unscrew and remove the fan from the board plate. Then, unscrew the burner plate. Lift the burner plate to unplug the broken fan from the main board. Avoid pulling on the wire. Instead, pull gently from the plug to prevent wire damage. Next, insert the new fan. Place and screw the new fan and connect it to the main board. And then, put the cooktop back together. Start with the burner plate. Next is the control board. Remember to connect it to the main board. And lastly, add thermal paste to the sensor.